Lola's gonna crawl. Yes, you are. Look at you. You're coming to get it, aren't you? Come on, show me. Show me. She's just one push away from crawling.
Well, she can go all the way up into like downward dog.
Yeah.
She's done it for like a week now.
What you doing, Lola? Hi. Oh, you see my camera string, don't you? Here she comes. Come on, babies. Come on, come on, come all the way over here. You are so close. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. I know you are. Hey, Carter, what are you up to? Hey, Carter. Carter. Hey, buddy. How you doing? You really want that string to that camera, don't you? Come on. Come get it. Come get it. I think you're going to have to ask about that because I don't know. That's my little girl. She's not little anymore, though. You going to come get it? Let's go. I want that camera. Give it to me. I really want it. What's up, Carter? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, buddy. You are intensely wanting this string on this camera. Come get it. Come on, girly girl. Good girl. Good girl. You did it. Look at you. That, my friends, is a crawl. She just crawled all the way over here to get my camera string. And she's got it. Yeah, she did it. She did it. Yeah. And she's got it.
You got my camera string. Yeah.
Yay! You did it. You did it. Good girl. She's like, I want the camera. I want the camera. I want the camera. Hey, Carter. I see you over there. Yeah. Uh-oh. Whoa. Our film is getting pretty rough. You see Caitlin, don't you? You got it. You got the string. Your sister got the string. You did. She got it. What? Now what do you want to do with it? What are you going to do? Yeah? Oh, what do you want to do with it? Your brother is about to plunk you in the head. He's got, yeah, that would be the one. Yep. Yes? You got kisses for your grandma and grandpa? Thank you. Thank you for pulling the string. This is Baby Movie Effects. Yeah. Baby Movie Effects by Lola. Yeah. Yeah. Yes? Yeah?